What's up, traders? So let's do a complete updated analysis of euro dollar. Let's find out what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, this is an updated analysis of euro dollar that I posted a couple of days ago. And what did I say in euro dollar? Look at here. So when this candle was forming, what did I mention? That euro dollar is likely to drop, and the market did exactly what it is. If you have seen that, then smash the like button. If you haven't seen it, you can watch that at the end of this video. There will be a link on the right side, or there will be a link in the description area. You can watch that to have some idea about how this market is moving. Now currently, what you see on the 4 hour time frame, euro dollar is still pushing towards the downside. Now before I mention how we can trade this instrument, let me explain the multi time frame analysis, then we'll come back to this time frame again to see how we can trade. Now euro dollar, this is the monthly chart. What you saw previous months, this is a perfect bearish candle with a healthy red body and long wick at the bottom. So what this candle represent, why it is healthy? Because you see this move first in the monthly, and then this long week is basically like this is the market's language. So there has been an impulse followed by a correction, healthy retracement, and then we can expect another impulse to the downside. That's what currently it's happening. Euro dollar is dropping towards down. And now if we draw a level of support here, because there is a monthly long week candle here, so let's draw the level of support where euro dollar might try to create a bounce. But what we see so far, it's strongly bearish. Even it could break this level to the downside. Let's see higher time frame how euro dollar is moving, pardon me, lower time frame. So this is the weekly time frame, and what you see, if you draw a weekly level of support and resistance, you can see that this is the weekly level of support here, resistance, and this support multiple times with this weekly candle tested as a resistance, and then we see now rejecting to the downside. Now at the same time, one pattern we can see here, there has been a double top formation on the weekly time frame. You see with this green candle and the red candle down, with green candle up, red candle down. So basically it is creating a double top formation on the weekly, meaning that we might see a further move to the downside with this instrument. So now let's see daily time frame how the price action is forming daily with this 20 period testing with this daily candle with a gap opening. We see every day euro dollar is pushing towards down. Now how we can trade at this point, we see that euro dollar has already broken this daily level of support here, and also there is a, we can draw a trend line here that also has been tested as a, that also has been broken this support. Now we could see a test as a resistance, or even we could see a break to the downside. Now let's see on the 4 hour time frame now what condition we will be considering for selling euro dollar. Now as you see that this candle is closing after 50 minutes time. Now if this one is still showing bearish move, we might see euro dollar just moving towards downside from here. Now I know that this is the hardest part. Most trader might think that euro dollar has dropped a lot and should rise up. It could happen, I could be wrong at any point in a single trade. It could rise up from here at any point, but my bias is towards the downside, not before closing this candle, because at any point we might see that this candle is closing as a bullish candle like this, a big green candle. In that case, I will be waiting in the sideline, and I will be waiting for a significant retracement and how the price action is forming. On the other hand, if euro dollar is managed to close this one as a bearish candle, then I might think of going short from this zone with a high risk to reward ratio, targeting at least to this level, which could give a significant risk to reward ratio to this move to the downside. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to have this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.